Hello, welcome back to Belle's Reading Corner. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the story, Cal, the Cactus. Cal was a happy cactus who lived in the desert. Cal had just one problem. He was not good at giving high five. He saw a rabbit. "Hi, buddy," said Cal. He gave Rabbit a high five. "Ouch," shouted Rabbit. "I'm sorry," said Cal. He saw Fox. "Hi, buddy," said Cal. He gave Fox a high five. "Ouch," shouted Fox. "I'm sorry," said Cal. He saw Owl. "Hi, buddy," said Cal. He gave Owl a high five. "Ouch," shouted Owl. "I'm sorry," said Cal. He saw Kangaroo. "Hi, buddy," said Cal. "I can't give you a high five." "Why not?" asked Kangaroo. "My hands are too pricky," said Cal sadly. Said Kangaroo. "I have an idea." Then off she hopped. When Kangaroo came back, she had a mitten on. "Give me a high five," she said. So Cal gave his buddy a high five. "Awesome," said Kangaroo. The mitten worked. Kangaroo gave mittens to Rabbit and Fox and Owl too. Then Cal gave his desert buddies high five all day and all night too. So that's the end of the story. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.